Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to design fashion flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the project file, open the flyer PSD inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file, size is A4. I have given you the color we are going to use in this design. First let's create a solid color background. For that go to the background group, create a layer, go to color picker, sample and select white color. Now fill the color. I used keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we are going to create our alphabet. For that go to design group, create a layer, go to color picker, sample and select this blue color. Of course you can choose any color you want. Now pick the text tool. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give a link in the description. You can download it. With size as 650, I'm going to type letter F. Place it at the center. Maybe a little bit drifted to right side. Little bit. Fine. I'll settle with this one. Next we are going to drop in our model image. For that go to the project file, open model image inside Photoshop. This image is neatly cropped. If you want, you can use your image, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above the text layer. Now enable free transform tool, ctrl T and resize it. I'll place it here. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next we're going to add layer mask. Now select the text layer. Now by holding Ctrl key in your keyboard, click the thumbnail. Now alphabet F will be selected. Now go to select and select inverse. By doing so, outer part of the letter F will be selected. Now go to color picker, sample and select black color. Next select the image masking layer. Now hit Alt backspace to fill black color. Next to create the pop-out effect, we're going to unmask the left side part of the model image. For that go to the color picker, select white color. Now pick the brush tool. Now select hard round brush, this one. Now unmask the left side part of the model image. Make sure the image mask layer is selected. There you go. Fine. Once you're done, next we're going to apply shadow effects to our text layer. Select the text layer, right click, blending option, select inner shadow. There I'm going to select normal. I'll keep the opacity as 35%, angle as 90, distance as 9, choke as 5, size as 25. Make sure black color is selected. Now click OK. Next we are going to drop in our leaf stock image. For that go to the project file, open leaf image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right below our model image. Now enable free transform tool. Give a slight rotation. If you want, you can resize the image. I'll place it here. Fine. Now we are done with the image part. Next we are going to add our text content. For that select the text group. Now create a new layer. Go to color picker, sample and select this blue color. I'm going to use the very same font. I'll reduce the font size down to 55. Now type your text content. I'll place it here. Next I'll create a duplicate copy, ctrl J. I'll move it down. I'll edit the text. Next I'm going to add other text content. For that create a layer inside text group. I'm using same color and same font. I'll reduce the font size down to 15. Now type in your text. Fine. Once you're done, create a duplicate copy, ctrl J. Add your website address. Once you're done, I'm going to adjust the layers position. For that, select all the groups we created so far by holding ctrl key in your keyboard and move a little bit up by using your keyboard arrow keys. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next, I'm going to create another text content. For that, go to the text group, create a layer with size as 20. I'm going to type event date and time. I'll place it here. Now enable free transform tool and click rotate counterclockwise option. Now I'll place the text here. Next, we're going to add some random shapes. For that, before that, I'll disable the color palette. Now go to background group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, sample and select this blue color. Now pick the rectangle tool, this one. Make sure fill is enabled, stroke is disabled. Now create some random rectangle shape like so. Fine, I'll create another one at bottom here. There you go. Let's add some layer style. Now select the alphabet F text layer, right click, copy the layer style. Now select the two rectangle shapes layer by holding Ctrl key in your keyboard. Now right click and paste the layer style. There you go, our layer style is applied. Next, I'm going to create another random shape. For that, create a layer. Now go to color picker, I'm going to same blue color. Now select custom shapes tool. Make sure fill is enabled, stroke is disabled. There, select tile 2 option, this one. Now by holding shift key in your keyboard, create a shape like so. I'll move it to left side, I'll place it here. Fine, there you go. Now our flyer is ready. All you gotta do is now go to file, click save as. Now save the file as PDF or PNG and get it printed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.